What's up guys, it's me Geek. So here is the Wi-Fi speed test on the Samsung Galaxy Tab S3. So now let me go to the home screen and I'm in the app drawer and find my speed test app. Here it is, literally here it is. And then let's do the speed test. I'm connecting with the home Wi-Fi router and let's see how fast it is. The speed test. Come on, wow. It's really amazingly fast. I mean, I'm happy. I am happy. It's quite fast at the end of the day. Wow, 70 megabits per second. I'm amazed. Literally, I am very much amazed. Wow. Let's see the upload speed. Upload speed is also like stunningly amazing. I'm happy. When I'm happy, then literally, I mean, I'm happy. I mean, to be honest with you, it's really very much amazing. Wow. I am happy at the end of the day. So this was the speed test. It was me, Geek. Subscribe and bye.
Allah faham beli